5 best work at home for introverts. Unlock the top 5 work from home jobs that combine flexibility and earning potential. Discover your perfect remote role today. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I'll show you step by step how you can use these 5 jobs to start earning money with it. So the first one we have here, promos. As you can see, if you all you have to do is just go to Google Play and then you write promos. As you can see, this is the application, and then you have to install it and start earning money with it. So how you can earn money with promos? So to make money on promos, you have just to start by signing up as a contributor on the platform, and then offers a variety tasks that offers a variety of tasks, often involving data collection and local research, which can include taking photos, answering surveys, or providing other location-based information. Once you are registered, browse the available tasks in your area and select ones that match your interests and expertise. Complete these tasks accurately and efficiently to earn money, as you typically receive payment upon task completion and review. The key to maximizing your earnings is to stay active on the platform, quickly accept and complete tasks, and consistently deliver high quality work to build a good reputation and gain access to more opportunities. So this is how you can make money on promos. As you can see, you have also here other information, like here we have over than 10 million talents, and here we have earn money completing tasks, surveys, or taking photos. If we scroll down, we have also other things. And let's move into the next one. We have here Ferpection. So this is the home page. If you dive on ferpection.com, you will find this website. To make money on Ferpection, you have just to start by signing up, register on their platform. Ferpection specializes in usability testing and user feedback for websites and apps. Once you are registered, you'll have access to various testing opportunities where you evaluate digital products based on user experience criteria. You will complete tasks such as navigating websites or apps, providing detailed feedback on your experience, and reporting any issues or suggestions for improvement. Payment is typically made upon successful completion of these tests and submission of your feedback. To maximize your earnings, stay engaged with the platform, respond quickly to testing invitations, and deliver draw high quality feedback to build a strong profile and increase your chances of getting more testing opportunities. So this is how we can earn money with Ferpection. You can also watch this video to more understand about it. Then we have here other information. You can just scroll down and know more information. If you want to sign up, all I have to do is click over here and you write your personal information and you get started with it. So let's move to the next one. We have SurveyTime. So if you want to sign up on SurveyTime, you click over here and you write your email address and then you enter the password, and that's it. Then if we scroll down, we have here how does SurveyTime works. The first things, you have to sign up for SurveyTime for free, then tell us about yourself by taking a short introductory survey, then start earning cash for surveys. For each survey you complete, you get an instant money reward. And we have here other things, as you can see. So to make money on SurveyTime, all you have to do is create an account on their platform. SurveyTime connects users with paid surveys from various market research companies. Once registered, you will receive notifications about available surveys tailored to your demographic profile. Complete the surveys honestly and thoroughly to earn rewards. As SurveyTime offers a fixed payment of $1 for each survey completed, payments are typically processed quickly, often via PayPal or gift cards, making it a straightforward way to earn money. To maximize your earnings, regularly check for new surveys, be prompt in responding to invitations, and ensure you meet the qualification criteria for each survey to increase your opportunities for earning. So this is how it works with SurveyTime, and let's move on to the next one. We have PaperTrue. So this is the home page. All I have to do is dive into PaperTrue.com, and this is the home page. And to make money on PaperTrue, you can start by signing up as a freelancer on their platform, which specializes in editing and proofreading services. Once registered, you'll be able to take on editing assignments where you review and refine documents such as academic papers, business reports, or manuscripts to improve their quality, coherence, and overall quality. Ensure that you have a strong grasp of grammar, style, and formatting rules to provide high quality edits. Your earnings will depend on the number of assignments you complete and their complexity. To maximize your income, maintain a high standard of work, meet the deadline, and build a positive reputation on the platform, which can lead to more and higher paying assignments over time. So this is how it works with PaperTrue, and let's move on to the next one. We have MetroOpinion. So first, you have to choose your country, as you can see, and then you sign up, and then you can read this one: how to earn with paid surveys and 3 easy steps. Sign up, then answer, and get paid. It's very simple. So to make money on MetroOpinion, you have just to start by signing up for an account on their platform, which offers paid survey opportunities. After registration, you'll receive invitations to participate in surveys tailored to your demographic profile. Each survey you complete will earn you money. And MetroOpinion typically provides a range of topics for various interests. To maximize your earnings, regularly check your account for new survey opportunities. Ensure you complete surveys thoroughly and honestly and strive to meet any qualification criteria. Additionally, maintaining an active profile and promptly responding to invitations can help you secure more surveys and consequently increase your overall earnings. So that's it with MetroOpinion and how it works. And let's move into the last one. We have Appen. So this is Appen, and this is the homepage. All I have to do is click over appen.com, and this is how it works with Appen. So to earn money on Appen, begin by signing up and creating a profile on their platform, which specializes in microtasks and flexible work opportunities related to artificial intelligence and data. After registration, you'll have access to various projects such as data annotation, transcription, and search engine evaluation. To maximize your earnings, select tasks that align with your skills and interests and complete them accurately and efficiently. Appen offers flexible working hours so you can work around your schedule and take on multiple tasks to increase your income. Staying active and maintaining a good performance record can also lead to more job opportunities and higher paying assignments over time. So this is how it works with Appen and also this other website. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.